Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Ambao education, and if you look at this script, what you can see here that the data has been available since 2010, and from the highs of 2010, which was at $430, the stock has fallen to near zero point 0.4. Now if you look at the current trend, you can see there are movements of around 200 or 300 plus percentage, on the upside. Now how do you read these kind of movements? So first of all, the first question you or one should ask, or I would say one must ask, is what is the reason for this stock to fall from the levels of 400 plus over a period of a decade towards point 0.4. Point 0.4, it means below a dollar. So this fall indeed is very brutal, and if the stock is falling in such a manner, then you must be very curious about this stock, and specifically when, if you are planning or if you have indeed planned or been already invested in this particular script. Okay, so you should be very curious and very much alert about these kind of things, because if the stock is falling for the last past 1 decade, it's not like the stock market is in doldrums. So there are some good as well as some bad phases, but it is not the way the stock overall stock market is moving. So when we are talking about specific script, you should be very much aware about the things or the stocks which you are selecting. Now, looking at the current trend, okay, looking at the current trend, what you can see or find here is that the stock has indeed moving, but moving inside a range. Okay, so when the stock is moving inside a range, and the range consists of 6 years of data, so do not simply think that something will happen and the stock will again start moving up. So if the stock is giving you indications, follow that indications. Do not just apply your mind specifically when the stock is falling from the last 10 years and the overall trend is negative. Now if you look at the current stock, you will find that the support will come at 1.75 and 1.25, and below 1.25 you have a zero point 0.5 on the downside. On the upside, you have your first target at 6.39, where the stock currently trading, and above that you have 7.49. So this is the overall trend inside which the stock is trading. So unless the stock is moving or giving a breakout above 7.8 on the upside, or breakdown below zero point 0.45 or 46 on the downside, firstly do not simply think that it will go up or go down. What you probably think that stock will consolidate inside the range. Once stock moves up and breaks above 7.78, then you could probably think about 16.27 on the upside, and that will be your big target or resistance. So for the time being, I'm not going above that. So this is your big resistance and big target, where there is a very high probability that again supply will come, and if the stock reaches this level or this line, anywhere in between this line, then it will again fall down. Okay, so this is the first thing which you should know if you are planning to go long. So there are conditions which I have explained you. Below zero point 0.5 there will not be any position, because we don't know where will the stock go afterwards. Because if you check out this line, okay, so this is a shadow which indicates that the previous low the stock has hit was 0.003. So there is no point to go for a point which is at 0.003. Okay, so understand these things and do your planning accordingly beforehand, and just think specifically for this script. Number one, this is a long term bear trend. Number two, the stock is in consolidation for the past 7 years after a big fall. Number three, the stock is trading inside a range, and if it is inside a consolidation for 7 long years, then you should not think beyond the range. Fourth, if it will go up or make a breakout, there is a resistance. Fifth, if it breaks down, then there will not be any position. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.